If Telegram shows a black screen on iPhone, app glitches or settings may be the reason. This video covers easy fixes to resolve the issue fast. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off and ensure you are on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. The power button trick. While the screen is black, hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously as if you were going to turn off the phone. Once the slide to power off screen appears, do not slide it. Tap cancel at the bottom. This often wakes up the Telegram interface. Solution 2. Clear Telegram cache. Go to iPhone settings, then tap General. Now go to iPhone storage. Find Telegram in the list. Tap Offload app. Tap Reinstall app. This clears out technical glitches while keeping your chat safe. Solution 3. Disable Raise to Speak. Open Telegram, then go to Settings, tap Data and Storage, scroll down and toggle Raise to Listen to off. Hope this helped. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.